Yes, students, today we are reading about coordinate geometry of ninth class, chapter 3. Firstly, we know about Cartesian plane. This is the Cartesian plane. We learn about it in the previous classes of graphically. This is x, it is minus x, 0, y, and minus y. Horizontal line is called x-axis. This is horizontal line. Horizontal lines are called x axis, and this is vertical line. What is this? Vertical line and called y axis. The coordinate axis divide in the plane into four parts called quadrant. First quadrant, second quadrant, third, and fourth. This is here we have all positive. Here first x negative and y positive. Here both negative x and y, and here x positive and y negative. This is a quadrant. What I am saying, for quadrant. Quadrant. The perpendicular distance of a point of from the y-axis is called the apsica. Y-axis we called apsica. अब एप्सिका एप्सिसा भी बोल सकते हैं इसको. एंड एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट वी कैन से दैट इट अबाउट ऑर्डिनेट. ऑर्डिनेट व्हाट आई एम सेइंग, ऑर्डिनेट. ओके. When if abscissa of a point x and the ordinate is y, then x and y we can say that about this the coordinate of the point. What is coordinate of the point? The abscissa of every point on y axis is 0, and ordinate is of the every point on x axis is 0. ठीक है. Then now the exercise, first question we have, how will you describe the position of a table lamp on your study table to another person? We have to describe a study table. We have to make this and this. Taking this is the table, and here the lamp will be here 30 meter away, and here 20 centimeter, and this is 30 centimeter. Here O, which is x, and this is y. We have to write, consider the lamp as P, table as a plane. OX and OY are the perpendiculars. Now P from the longer edge is OX, and this is the PM and PN, we can say that. Thus the position of the lamp P referred to OX and OY, this is equal to 20 and 30. X we have 20 centimeter, and y have 30 centimeter. This is the coordinate. Okay. Now the question number second, street plan. A city has two main roads. A city has two main roads. Okay. Which cross each other at center of the city, and now we have these two roads are along the north south direction and east west direction. All the other streets of city run parallel to these roads and the 200 meter apart. Thus there are 5 streets in the each direction using 1 centimeter equal to 200 meter, and draw a model of city. Now we have 2 main roads and we can write the 5 streets equal distance 1 200 centimeter. First, second, third, fourth and fifth. Now here also equal difference 1 2 3 4 5. Firstly we have 1, second we have 2, third we have, fourth we have, and street 5 we have. Equal differences. Okay, this is street 5, 4 3 2 1, and here also street 1, street 2, street 3, street 4, street 5. Then street 2 we have 2 into 5. This is have 3 into 4. And this is equal to 4 into 3. Okay, this is the differences. Exercise 3.1 you can complete, write on your notebook. Thank you.